guys, good morning. This is a next day vlog na. I was supposed to film yesterday of my packing, but super cry ang lola mo. So, next day vlog na lang to. I'm having breakfast. This is very, very Filipino. We have rice, pancit canton, and egg. Hindi ko na naluto na maayos yung egg kasi sinabay ko siya sa pancit canton and sobrang labsak na yung pancit canton kapag niluto ko pa yung egg. But that's okay. Because yung egg nila dito, masyadong creamy yung yolk. So, that's just the way I like it. Now, I'm just gonna finish my breakfast and then I'll make the bed and then take a shower, do my makeup. It's currently 4:30 na. 4:30. Yeah, 4:30 na ngayon. It's still too early naman. We're leaving maybe around before 7:30 just to make sure na we get to the airport a little early. But there's no traffic today because today is Memorial Day. So, holiday dito. So, yung mga tao will be staying a little late in their houses and will get more sleep. But yeah, I'll just finish my breakfast and then I'll make the bed. Or I'll make the bed, then I'll finish my breakfast. See you in a bit after ko mag-ayos-ayos. Guys, so favorite ko talaga tong pudding dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, ayan. I'm eating pudding and then I'm also making myself some coffee. I know I told, alam ko, sinabi ko kahapon magpapaluto ako sa kanya ng almusal, but so bilis kasi akong kumilo sa kanya. So, wag na lang. Ako na lang. Kesa naman sa mahirapan pa kami. Tapos, all my luggages are pretty much done. Yung hand carry ko na lang, naka-open pa siya because I'm gonna put there my charger and some of the toiletries na kailangan kong iuwi. But I'm leaving most of it here naman yung mabibigat para hindi ko na siya dala pa uwi ng Pilipinas. So, that's my ganap. I'm just eating and then I'm watching This Is Us. It's still very early, so perfect na ano lang to, right amount of time. Basta dapat mga 6 nagpe-prepare na ako para before 7 makagora na kami. We'll keep you guys updated. I am all set and ready. See you later. O'Hare Terminal 3. These are all my luggages, guys. So I still have this. This is for my hand carry, and this is for my check-in. And this is O'Hare International Airport, Terminal 3. And this is me. So we made it here, guys. Terminal 3, O'Hare, Chicago O'Hare International Airport. I'm just waiting for the check-in counter to open and then iwan ko lang tong luggage ko. It's still very early. We thought there's gonna be heavy traffic. We were supposed to leave at 8 o'clock a.m. but I feel like we still made the right decision regardless if it's too early pa. At least mauna ako dito sa pila sa check-in counter. May mga naghihintay na rin naman. So, yun. But we were supposed to leave the house ng around 8 a.m. It would have been still better if 8 a.m. kasi wala talagang traffic. Maybe because of the holiday as I've mentioned before. But, yun. So, malamig yung weather ngayon, guys, which is around 14, 13 degrees around this time. Gloomy siya and perfect sana na weather sa paglalakad. But, you know, I'm going back na sa Philippines na may tropical and hot weather. And it's okay because I'll be back here soon. I cried so much for the past 3 days na. Sobra na yung naiiyak ko and my boyfriend is very comforting. It was just, naiyak na naman. It was just, heartbreaking. Kasi I know naman na parang we will meet again. But the fact that we will be away for a few months, I don't know, it's just so sad. But then again, I'm going back soon dito sa Chicago, and hopefully I could also visit other states. My boyfriend and I are planning on it naman, but let's cross the bridge. Pero also, guys, evil eyes, may mauusog sa akin dyan. Pero also, charing. Anyway, so that's the plan. Right now, I would be traveling to Haneda, Japan. That's my first stop. I'd be there for like almost 11 hours. I actually booked a train ticket, a one-way train ticket, and I also bought Wi-Fi, or rented a Wi-Fi just for a day. So I'm so excited. I don't know what we would see there, and it's just gonna be very amazing for sure. I also listed down the places I wanted to visit, but most of the time, or most likely, I'm just gonna stay sa Shibuya. That's where I wanted to stay for a long time. Siguro mga 3-4 hours. Not sure if I could meet Angge and Ralph. Abangan niyo yung sunod na vlog ko about it. So, yan. Maybe marami ng cut and putol-putol tong vlog ko na to, but that's okay. Because I just really wanted to document or vlog. This is my diary vlog. So, yan. Anyway, kanina, sarap ng kain ko, guys. Almusal rice and then pasit canton. And then I also have had pudding. Kita nyo naman. So, ngayon, parang bigat-bigat na yung chan ko. Siguro sa stress, alam mo yung mas maano yung chan ko. So, ayun ko pa naman, guys, ng CR dito. I forgot to show you yung CR dito, guys. But it's so weird. And I was telling my boyfriend about it because dito sa US, ang taas ng, diba CR ko? Diba sa atin may harang? I don't know what it's called, may harang. Ang taas ng gap niya. Like, pag umihi ka, kapag sumukulang siya at masisilipan ka talaga. And I asked him what's the purpose of that. And he did not really explain it to me, except sa, ang naiisip nilang na dahilan is maybe because they don't want people to stay longer period of time sa CR. Kaya ganun siya. Kasi super awkward. Nakikita mo yung kalahati. Alam mo sa mga movies, ganun siya. Ang taas talaga. Eh, diba, hindi naman ako matangkad. 5 foot tall lang ako. So, parang sa may taas na siya ng tuhod ko. As in, I'm not exaggerating. Ganun siya kataas. Which is very weird for me. Kaya, yun. But doon sa airport na pinagstayhan ko though, I mean, nung papunta ko dito, I think ganun din yung taas ng ano. Sobrang weird talaga. I'm ganito siya, guys. So, ayan, yun yung picture from Google. And it's just so weird for me, you know. Anyway, it's currently 7:54. Sarado pa rin yung gate. And I just don't want to leave the line right now. So, tasting ko na tapos mga naihi. Anyway, ang laki na to, sabi sa TikTok, I'm not sure if it's true or maybe we can double check that. Comment down below. But this is the 3rd largest airport in the world and it's so big. As in, isang linya lang to, Terminal 3. Ang daming airlines dito. Iba't iba yung airlines, of course. May pang domestic. Parang din sa atin. May domestic. And then Terminal 2, I think, also has international but ibang airline naman. So, yun. Iba-iba yung airline. I'll show you then yung pagkain ko sa, sa airplane. I forgot what I selected sa food actually, but I might ask dun sa counter if, yung food or if I could still change it because I want something heavy meal. And, yun. So, yesterday pala, I forgot to mention this, but punta ko ng last Target. Punta ko sa Target. And then, when I pack my bags, kasi ang chika, ganito. I was supposed to do a vlog sa mga pagpapak. Dapat nakalista na yun sa akin. Ngayon, meron kasi talaga akong moment, guys, na sobrang tampo ako sa boyfriend ko, which I know is wrong. But, naano lang ako kasi umiyak ako habang nag-i-impact. Siguro hormones din kasi I'm about to get my period. So yun, hormonal lang din talaga siguro na timing. Eh, pagod na pagod siya kahapon. Syempre, nag-work pa siya. Tapos, ang daming drive. Tapos, ihatid niya pa ako sa airport na maaga. Tapos, marami pa rin siyang gagawin today. So, parang alam mo yun, parang gusto ko na, huwag ka muna matulog. Parang ganun moment. Which ngayon ko na-realize how crazy I was yesterday and I feel bad. I apologize din naman. And, you know, ano yung sinabi ng boyfriend ko sa akin, tatampo-tampo ako. He still helped me pack while I was crying. He was just there, you know, pinafulin yung mga bagay-bagay, and then tinutulungan niya akong ipatas na maayos sa mga luggage ko. And then, nung nag-sorry na ako sa kanya, alam niyo ba yung sinabi niya lang sa akin? Sabi niya, it's okay. I don't take it against you, and I really understand. I understand that you're just tampo kasi you're sad. I understand na ganyan yung nararamdaman mo. Alam mo yun, parang to me, parang nandun ako sa point na hindi na valid yung in-arte ko eh. But that's what he said. So talagang sobrang comforting. Like the entire time na I was just crying, comfort niya lang ako. He keeps on reminding me na makikita naman ulit tayo ah. It's just the first, you know, time na mag-bonding kami and all. But it was really a success. And I'm so glad, guys. This might sound crazy and ang dami kong chika because I'm an open book. But you know, the feeling when you really found the one, alam mo yun, yung parang before we met kasi parang I still have a lot of questions in my mind na sure ba na gusto talaga ako. And my friends could attest to this, but alam mo yun guys, wala na akong doubts or anything. I know and I want to spend forever with him. And hopefully, by the time na kung ano man ang future namin, paparoodi ko tong vlog na to. Because here, I really mentioned that I want him forever. He's the most amazing nanay mo. Sobrang bait niya. Sobrang caring niya. And I really could not ask for more. He's the best boyfriend ever in the whole wide world. That sounds so exaggerating, but I promise guys, sobrang haba ng pasensya niya sa akin. He's very understanding, faithful, all those things. So I'm so blessed to have him. Anyway, so for the kuta and something. Look oh guys, yung kamay ko dito, nilalagyan ko siya ng band-aid and petroleum jelly because nagka-crack talaga siya. Kasi yung gripo naman sa bahay, di ba may heater naman. Even yung mga normal na faucet or sink, it has heater. But syempre pag open mo, parang sobrang lamig. And then, ano tawag dito, lamig. Pag nag-shower, mainit. So parang my hands are not used to this so much. So yun, sobrang dry niya. Pati yung face ko dito, like, it's a little different. I don't know, siguro hindi ko napawisan or kung ano. But yeah, super crack nito. And my boyfriend put some petroleum and then band-aid. It's so painful, especially if I wash my hands. But you know, I'm at the point na sobrang sanay na ako sa sakit niya. Hala! Charing. But yes, ano as talaga siya. Nagka-crack talaga siya. I have no idea what to do anymore. I added Lucas Popo na, but Lucas Popo. But still, nagka-crack pa rin talaga. So, I don't know what to do anymore. Time check, 8 o'clock. Still, the boarding is closed. I feel like it would open at around 9 o'clock though. That's why super early pa namin. Actually, tatlo pa nga lang kami sa pila. Tapos nakaupo na sila sa sahig. Yung umupo sa sahig. Kasi sila naman, feeling ko Japan lang talaga yung layover nila ako kasi mahaba-habang biyahe pa to guys. So, let's see. Okay, I'll update you guys kapag naka-check-in na ako and kapag nasa boarding gate na ako. I'll see you guys in a bit. We just got off the checkpoint. Anyway, guys, look at this part of the airport. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Look. I I will always be grateful for my team for buying me Crocs because sobrang dali lang yung tanggalin. Kasi yung mga ganitong airport, guys, kailangan hubad pati sapatos. And hassle lang kapag katatanggalin mo pa yung rubber shoes mo. And yun, I finally found toilet. Let's go to the toilet. So, ang daming food court dito na madadaanan na pwede kayong kumain. Tapos, you can use your card naman if wala kayong cash. But marami rin mga ATM dito. But I chose McDo. Katabi lang ng McDo yung Starbucks. Tapos, isang hilera lang siya dito sa area na to. So, we're having hash brown and ano ba yung isa ko? Sausage, egg, McGriddle. So, this is the first time I'm gonna have McDo dito. Well, same lang sa ating dun mo siya nagmula sa bansang ito. I already had breakfast earlier, diba? But, you know what? Kain tayo na madami kasi mahaba yung flight natin. And paglabas ko ng Japan, mag-iikot na agad ako. It's gonna be a long flight. But, I'm so excited. So, let's just grab some meal. And then later, I'll end the vlog na. Kasi sira na yung microphone ko. So, medyo maingay talaga yung background. See you in a bit. We made it here dito sa boarding area. It's currently 10:30 pa lang and boarding starts at 11:55. So, we're still early but right now, sinusulit ko yung wifi and nanonood ako ng This Is Us. So, I downloaded until Season 3, Episode 11, which is enough hanggang sa buong flight, pabalik ng Manila. And then the rest, I will just watch it pagbalik ko dito sa Chicago. Anyway, so when I found out na super aga pa, and after ko kumain and natapos ko na yung isang episode na pinapanood ko, naisip ko yung Garrett's popcorn. Dumaan lang ako and I bought a small bag. So they have a mixed flavor but there are almond, may cheese, may caramel. So iba't ibang flavor but this one I chose yung mixed. Chinek ko siya sa peso para kung mapatak siya yung small bag na to. It's 400 pesos na sa atin. I mean, mahal siya. Sabi dito, thank you for stopping by. Since our family business first opened in Chicago in 1949, we have been cooking gourmet popcorn recipes daily in our kitchens. We recommend enjoying your Garrett right away. Our fans say it never lasts long. Happy snacking like no other. So, I mean, this is something that is common or like best na nire-recommend nilang pasalubong from Chicago. Personally, and this is just my preference or baka busog lang ako kasi I just had McDonald's. Normal na popcorn lang siya. But I think what makes it different dito sa Chicago is because of the flavors. Like, iba't iba yung mga flavors na pwede nyong piliin. Depends kung ano gusto nyo. I think that's what makes it different sa ibang mga popcorn dito. But I also saw yung Smart Food na popcorn which I forgot to show sa vlog kasi nga yun yung mga nabili ko sa Target. Diba merong white cheddar na Smart Food na popcorn? I'll add the picture here. And ito naman yung nabili ko kahapon sa Target. So, I was able to buy yung nacho cheese na flavor and barbecue flavor. So, yung Doritos. Meron sila nun. So, na-amaze ako. Binili ko na kasi parang hindi ko siya nakita before sa Landers. Ang nakita ko sa Landers was yung white cheddar, which yun yung kinain namin ng boyfriend ko last night habang nanonood kami ng movie. But anyway, sige, I'll show you yung laman nitong Garrett's. Meron siya nitong parang pinaka-seal. Let's take it off. And then, I'll show you yung small bag. Actually, hindi ko pa nga agad napansin eh. Parang biglang naubos yung English ko, guys, pagdating dito. Kasi, meron actually family na nakapila. I didn't know na nauna sila. Kasi akala ko nagbabayad, tapos sila magbayad. Ewan ko pa, parang nasabaw-sabaw ako. Hirap talaga pag wala akong tulog. Kasi, nakangutang-malutang ako. Anyway, ito lang yung bag niya. But ito siya. Ayan, madami naman na siya. I'd say madami na siya. But of course, syempre, lagi namang rule of thumb yan. Kapag mag-travel ka, don't convert. And another one is, huwag mag-convert. Pangalawa is, mahal talaga yung airport food. Kahit saan naman siya, kahit saan namang lupalop ka ng earth. Mahal talaga yung mga airport food. But dito kasi talaga sa US, syempre yung conversion, guys. Ito mga around, I forgot, I did not ask by the receipt na kasi, but it's around $6 yata or $4. Basta, yun. Kasi, tawag dito. Hindi ko na siya convert. Kasi talaga huwag kayong magko-convert, guys. Kasi nanay ko mahilig mag-convert. But every time you travel talaga, rule na yun. Kasi nag-stress talaga kayo. Wala kayong ma-enjoy. Wala kayong bibilhin. Kung lagi kayong magko-convert. Anyway, ito siya. I'll show you guys yung laman. So, ito na yung next niya. As far as I know, we have this back home sa Philippines. I just don't know yung mga stores. So, ayan. I actually posted this on Instagram because I tried one piece earlier. I tried the caramel, but let me try it again. Honestly, guys, I do not see the difference between this and Papero. It's the same. Same lang siya, guys. I guess what makes it better is yung, well, aside from the location, I don't think there would be a lot na mga trending na food dito. Or maybe I just don't know. Unlike sa atin, say for example, pag pumunta ka sa Dumaguete, meron sila ng tinapay, diba? So maybe it just varies sa state. I cannot wait to try In-N-Out though sa California. Yun yung gusto kong try. Kasi dito sa Chicago, ang bet nila is Culver's. I've never tried their burger, but si boyfriend nag-try niya yung burger. Anyway, si boyfriend nasusun niya yung burger. I had the chicken sandwich last time, but maybe I'll give the burger a try. And then, yeah. Anyway, I'll just bring this back sa plane. I also prepared melatonin na kasi, guys, it's currently 10:38 ng umaga dito, which is 11:30 p.m. back in Manila. And from there, kailangan kong matulog sa buong flight, which is umaga dito. Parang darating ako ng Japan madaling araw. So, I'd still have enough time. But I would take it maybe on a latter part, yung mga at least maka 8 hours of sleep man lang ako. Kasi kailangan ko matulog para may energy ako sa Japan bukas. Yun, yung mga ganap ko today. Anyway, so, I'm actually a little sleepy right now kasi hindi ako masyadong natulog. Kagabi, nagpuyat talaga ako. Siguro mga 2 hours pa lang ako natutulog. Ito siguro yung mahirap kapag ang layo ng time difference. Kapag ganun. Like, kapag sobrang layo ng time difference, ano siya, talagang sasakit talaga yung ulo mo. Mahirap mag-adjust. But I have work naman tomorrow. And panggabi ako. So, let's see what happens. I'll go ahead and show you later kapag nandun na tayo sa plane and we're boarded. Nasa ano ko ngayon, sa my window side, which I honestly don't know if that's the right decision. Kasi pagka mahabang flight, pag maikling flight, okay lang. Pero pag mahabang flight, I prefer yung aisle na seat, yung nasa gitna. Diba? Tatlong ano yun, line yun. Yung nasa gitna na nasa aisle. Only because, para kapag nag-CR ako, madaling lumabas. Kapag kasi nakapunta ako window seat, parang ang hirap mag-excuse pa. Anyway, that's the ganap today. I'll show you later. Sobrang gusto ko nang mahiga. Kamayan. Anyway, 10:39. Almost boarding na tayo. Let's just watch the last episode of This Is Us. Episode 5 na ako ng season 2. And then, I will continue watching pagdating sa plane. And then siguro mga 8 hours, 6 hours of sleep, okay na ako dun. We made it here sa plane, guys, and window seat. So, window seat ako papuntang Japan and window seat din pabalik papuntang Philippines. So, I'm so excited! I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is, well, hindi pa end yung vlog. I'll show you my food pa later. So, anyway, I'm so sad, but then again, I'm so excited then to be back home. And ang request ko actually, don't laugh, but I'm craving for sardinas sa maraming saba, maraming sibuyas and kamatis. So yeah. Anyway, I'll show you guys the food later. So, ito na yung mga food natin, guys. So, papuntang Japan, naka-low fat yung food ko. And honestly, okay naman siya, but I feel bad. Kasi mas masarap yung pagkain ng mga katabi ko sa plane. Hindi ko rin siya totally naubos, guys. Kasi nga low fat, so talagang walang lasa. Napaka-bland nung napili kong food. But anyway, it's still okay. Guys, update. Medyo yun rin na ating nalakbay. Lagi lang ako natutulog. So, sobrang effective nung Aldi na melatonin na binili ko. Ilalagay ko yung picture dito. But, yeah, they gave the snack na and I'm gonna have the low-fat meal snack na binigay sa akin. So, sandwich.